to PuffiTunes, where music, fun, and smiles begin. Snore Bear sleeps with a funny sound. Snurr, snurr echoes all around. Not too loud, just silly sweet, like a drum with sleepy beat. Bear hugs a pillow, rolls once more. Snore goes soft across the floor. Even snores know when to slow, as night starts to gently glow. Snore Bear dreams of honey pies, cloud beds floating in the sky. Every snore says all is well, like a cozy bedtime spell. If you hear a snore tonight, don't feel scared, it's just right. Snore Bear guards you till daybreak, sleeping strong till morn.